Hi, I'm Steve, the Lawn Science Guy, and if you're watching this video, it's most likely you called Lawn Science for a lawn care quote at your home. When we show up to your home, we're going to leave the quote in this green bag, and we're going to place this bag either by your front sidewalk or by your mailbox. If it's not by your front sidewalk or by your mailbox, it's going to be on your front door. Look for this Lawn Science sign and this green bag. In the green bag is going to be your lawn care quote. It's a custom quote specifically for your home. Now you have three options to choose from for a lawn care program. It's going to be the All-American, the Premium, or the Basic program. Simply check which program you'd like. We offer two types of payment programs. You can either do a prepayment for the whole season, one payment, you get a 5% discount with that, or you can choose a 3-payment program where you'll pay in 3 set scheduled time payments. You keep one copy of the contract and you send one copy back to us. And you can either pay with a check or credit card. The fastest way to activate your program is to simply give us a call at 860-887-2344. And anyone who answers the phone can take your information and activate your program. If you have any questions, give us a call at 860-887-2344. Thank you.